Welcome to Vanindin Academy. If you're thinking about going solar for the first time, this video is for you. We're sharing 10 essential tips every first-time solar buyer should know, so you can make smart choices, avoid common mistakes, and get the most out of your investment. Let's get started. Tip 1. Know your energy usage. Before buying solar, check your electricity bills to find your average daily and monthly usage. This helps you choose the right system size. If you use 20 to 30 kilowatt hours per day, you'll likely need a 6 kilowatts to 10 kilowatt system. Tip 2. Understand your roof. Not every roof is ideal for solar. A good solar roof gets at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight per day, has minimal shading, and faces south or west. Also check the condition and age of your roof. Older roofs may need repairs before installation. Tip 3. Get multiple quotes. Prices can vary widely between installers. Get at least 3 different quotes to compare system design, equipment, warranties, and total cost. Tip 4. Choose quality equipment. Not all solar panels and inverters are created equal. Look for trusted brands with strong warranties, typically 25 years for panels and 10 or more for inverters. Cheap equipment may cost you more in the long run. Tip 5. Learn about net metering. Net metering allows you to send excess energy back to the grid and get credits on your bill. Make sure your utility offers it and understand how their program works. It can significantly affect your savings. Tip 6. Decide if you want batteries. Batteries let you store solar energy for use at night or during power outages. They're more expensive upfront but offer energy independence and backup power. If you don't want batteries now, choose a hybrid inverter so you can add them later. Tip 7. Know your incentives. Check what incentives are available in your country or region. These may include tax credits, rebates, or zero-interest loans. Incentives can reduce your system cost by thousands of dollars. Tip 8. Consider system monitoring. A good solar system comes with monitoring through an app or online dashboard, so you can track performance, spot issues, and understand your energy habits. Always ask your installer about monitoring options. Tip 9. Understand your warranty. There are 3 types of warranties to ask about: the panel warranty, the inverter warranty, and the installer's workmanship warranty. Make sure you understand what each one covers and for how long. Tip 10. Think long-term. Solar is a long-term investment. Most systems last 25 years or more. The longer you stay in your home, the greater your savings. A good solar setup can pay for itself in 5 to 8 years and continue generating free power for decades. To recap, know your usage, understand your roof, get multiple quotes, choose quality gear, learn net metering, decide on batteries, research incentives, use system monitoring, understand warranties, think long-term. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly solar advice. And let us know in the comments, what's the biggest question you have about going solar?